I've been exploring the Chase Freedom Rise credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review of it. I'll walk through the key features, potential downsides, and important things to consider, so by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how this credit card actually works. The Chase Freedom Rise is designed primarily for people who are new to credit or still rebuilding their financial profile. Unlike many beginner cards that offer almost nothing in return, this one at least tries to balance accessibility with basic rewards. One of the biggest positives is that the card has no annual fee, which immediately removes a common barrier for first-time cardholders. On top of that, it offers 1.5% cashback on all purchases. That's not groundbreaking compared to premium cards, but for a starter card, it's straightforward and easy to understand. You don't have to track rotating categories or activate quarterly bonuses. Another helpful feature is the approval pathway. In 2026, Chase still positions this card as an entry point, especially for people with limited credit history. Having a Chase checking account with a small balance can also improve approval odds, which makes the card more accessible than many traditional rewards cards. There's also a small but meaningful upgrade path. If you manage the card responsibly and build your credit over time, Chase may eventually allow you to move to a stronger product in the Freedom lineup. That gives the card a bit more long-term value than a typical starter card. However, the Freedom Rise isn't perfect. The rewards rate is decent but not exceptional. Some competing beginner cards now offer similar or better cashback with additional perks. The card also tends to come with a relatively low starting credit limit, which can make it harder to keep your utilization low if you rely on it heavily. Another drawback is the interest rate. Like most beginner credit cards, the APR is quite high. That means carrying a balance can quickly erase the value of any rewards you earn. Overall, the Chase Freedom Rise works best as a stepping stone. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and backed by a major bank. But it's not a card you'll likely keep as your primary option for years. In short, it's a solid starting point for building credit, as long as you treat it as a temporary tool rather than a long-term rewards card. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.